Okay, let's take a look here. So for store interface 4, I have this store interface 4 installed for our smart online order page. I'm in the process of setting everything up. I have descriptions underneath the category titles, but the fonts look as though they're partially transparent, and it's hard to read against a background image. I haven't found the correct spot in the customized interface section for this. Do you have a solution? I have attached a screenshot for reference. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the attached screenshot for the reference. Okay, so here's the screenshot. Let's move it a little bit to the right here. So basically, I would like to get this text to be solid color. Okay, so this text right here, and you want it to be solid color. So let me show you how you can do that. It has to be done on the back end of the CSS section. Let me show you how to get there and how to do that. So here's the back end of the order online page. So what you do is you press this button right here called Clover Orders, and then you press Settings. As you press Settings, you'll be taken to the back end. And then from here you press Store Settings, and then scroll down until you see Custom CSS, all the way to the bottom. Okay, so here's the code you would enter. It's already entered for you. So this is how you change that. So let's say you want the opacity to be less or higher. Just change this 0.02 to 0.01 or 0.03, okay? But let me show you what it looks like with 0.02, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and show you. This is with 0.02. So as you can see, it looks much cleaner. And see this one looks much better. But if you feel like you want more opacity or less, feel free to come back to the back end where it says Store Settings, Custom CSS, and changes to a 3 or a 1, okay? And then you can make that. Once you change that, make sure to go down here, press Save Changes. That way it'll change that for you. All right, okay. Thank you for the email and also the picture. That way I was able to understand exactly what you needed. Have a great day.